Now let's get started. All you need is a basic materials. The first one is your smartphone, which is 5 megapixel and above. Next you need a convex lens, which you can find in many electrical devices. Next is your specimen, which is of your choice, and some tools. Now let's see how this microscope works. The brain of the microscope is the lens. This is the convex lens, which is obtained from a laser pointer. Next, the heart is your smartphone, where the camera will focus on the convex lens and then the specimen. It can be slided, which is electrically controlled. It has a specimen stage with artificial lights, which will power up with 3.7 volts battery, and a switch to control these two things. It has a mirror which will act as a total internal reflection, which will be helpful in darker times. It has some LEDs and a hydraulic DC motor which will help you to slide the switches. Now let's check it how it works. Now place a specimen and target your camera on the focus point. That's your convex lens. So it is able to magnify. You can see there are many lenses where you can obtain from many electronic devices. Now let's switch off the light and check it. As I said you before, it can even be used in the dark, as it is having a LED which will light up. Now let's focus and see. So this microscope can be used anywhere, even right from your classroom and anywhere else. It just costs around 80 rupees, which is nothing but the cost of your laser pointer. You can subscribe to my channel in YouTube. Innovators Hub is my channel.